Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a Glitterbels haul. So I placed an order with her. I ordered 2 of the gel mystery boxes and 2 of the acrylic boxes. I have already recorded box 1 and 2 of the gels. Now I am here with the mystery box, the acrylic mystery box 1. Now, if you don't know, this month's different from last month. Last month you could basically only buy the gel box or the acrylic box. This time round she is doing 5 acrylic, 5 gel. So you can choose basically which box you want. So I just ordered box 1 and box 2. So yeah, not gonna lie, I'm excited. I do love me a mystery box and I adore the acrylics. So we have all these peanuts. Let me get these out. Sorry for the screaming. Right. So here is what it looks like. I'm going to have to put this to the side because it's really too big. Oh, wow. So we've got some of the forms. There is 300 pieces. That's a big old roll. Oh, wow. I'm so excited. Love that. And we have some clear pinched square. So yeah, this is just in one. Okay. We also have 240 file. No. Right. Then we have an acrylic, which is in tangerine. I don't have this. Looks like that. Oh, I love the smell of acrylic. It's got like a sweet smell to it. I'm going to do some swatches. Happy, happy, happy. Then we have Fantasia. Or Fantasia or Fantasia. I think Fantasia maybe. Whatever. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow, I 100% don't have that. That is stunning. And then lastly, we have a core powder, which is in glass slippers. Glass slippers is the clear. Super happy I've got this. Even though I've got 3. Well, let's say 2.5. So yeah, I'm so happy about that. Right, I'm going to swatch these 2. I'll get myself ready and I'll be back. Right, I am back. Let me zoom in a bit. I'm so happy with this box. Oh dear. It's just the little things in life, I tell you, just acrylic, glitter. I love it. Right. Let's swatch this. very, very lovely. Oh. Okay, well, I was like that just then, sorry. Really, really nice. I like it a lot. And now for this one, which I am super excited for, which is Fantasia. Wow, look at that. Bloody stunning. I'm due to do my nails. If you can see, I've got a bit of growth going on. So maybe... Oh my god. I just can't. I can't deal with that. Oh my god. It's just beautiful. How have I not already got this? I think when I go onto the website, I normally go for the crushes and the core powders. I've got obviously coloured ones, but I don't normally go into the glitters, which is really strange for me. Look at that. It's beautiful. So you've got them chunky bits of gold. There's like blue and purple small glitter. I mean, oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I am proper made up with this box. Let me... Oh, there we go. I am really, really happy with this box. So they are... I'm going to pick them up. They're the two together. Stunning. Really happy with these forms. I don't use them enough, to be quite honest. I just find it easier, you just bang on a tip and away you go. So I'm going to start practicing with forms. Yeah, I really should. And then these pinched square tips. Did I even show you properly? Probably not, but yeah, you can see. I love this box so much. Right, I am off. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video, which will be box number 2. All right, bye. Bye.